Syllabus tracker is a system designed to help students, teachers, or administrators manage and organize academic syllabus. This keeps the whole record of the lecture being conducted with many more efficient features. So let's see how the syllabus tracker works. So firstly, we have to add a course. Here I have already added a course. Then we have to add the subjects in this course. Here also I have already added the subjects. Then after adding the subjects, add a batch in that course selecting all the added subjects as well as the subject professors. After that, add the chapters in each of the subjects. Here you can see I have already added the chapters. We also have to add the estimated lecture count and the estimated lecture time of a particular chapter. Now after adding all this data, we have to now set the timetable. If you don't know how to set the timetable, we have already made video on it. Refer that video in case of any confusion. So here you can see the timetable which I have already made. It is a weekly timetable. After each of these lecture will be conducted, the teacher will have to update in the daily report option. Click on the manage tasks option and then click on the sub option daily reports. Now here select the course, select the subject, then the batch, and then click on the search icon. Below you can see that you can add the lecture details. Here the teacher can select the chapter that was taught in the class. Then beside, type the topic and the self remark. Below there is a checkbox where you can click when the chapter is been completed. After updating these details, click on the add option below and your daily report will be successfully added. Below you can see the view edit lecture details where you can see the lecture records and also can edit the records by clicking on the edit option. To see the classwork details from the student side, you must log in into student login. Then there click on the classwork option at the left hand side. Here you can see the classwork details. Now click on the other reports option. Then click on the sub option syllabus tracker. Here select the course and the professor. Then click on the search icon. Below you can see the stacked bar chart of the subject taught by the professor. It is a batch-wise representation. These bars are the estimated lecture count where each bar is divided into multiple color segments indicating different chapters. At the right, there is also an index given that which color indicates which chapter. Below that, there is a bar graph which represents the chapter-wise syllabus tracker. The red bar indicates the estimated lecture count and the blue one indicates the actual lecture count. Below that, there is a table that tracks the actual versus estimated lecture time for different chapters. Here the total column shows the number of lectures and the time required for the syllabus completion. Then the already scheduled column displays the lecture and the time that have been planned but not yet conducted. And at the last, the more required column indicate the additional lecture and time needed to meet the estimated syllabus requirement.